We may think of our planet as covered in green, but the truth is, every day there's less and less of it. The color green is becoming endangered. It's not just plants and trees. There are many animals in different shades of green that are going away as well. I'm Joel Sartori, a National Geographic photographer. For the past 15 years, I've been on a very deeply personal project to document endangered species around the world. I want to show you a few of my favorite endangered green animals that are being protected in some amazing facilities. All are captured on the OPPO Find X3 Pro. What you're seeing are the incredible patterns and shades of green on the side of an arboreal alligator lizard. From teal to deep green, these amazing creatures actually have yellow on their bellies. They're tiny and secretive, but they're under threat now from logging and from agriculture. It doesn't get any more colorful than this bird, the thick-billed parrot. The green in this parrot's feathers are amazing, with dashes of red here and there that make the green even more vibrant. That looks wonderful. They used to gather in groups of thousands in their native Mexico. Today, there are only about 1,000 breeding pairs left, so they're in real danger of extinction. These animals are all under different levels of threat. I hope these images inspire people to want to learn more about how we can save them before our world becomes a lot less colorful.